Hello.
Watwibwira.
Mazina yanjye nitwa Tuza Primrose, umunyarwandakazi
Uvuge cyane tukumve.
Nitwa Tuza Primrose.
Tuza
Primrose. Ndi umunyarwandakazi w'imyaka 20, nasoje amashuri yanjye yisumbuye.
So Miss Rwanda Crown comes with a lot of responsibilities. Yes. So tell me, in case you're crowned Miss Rwanda, what is going to keep you moving?
Thank you. As I'm standing for Miss Rwanda 2020, I think what is going to keep me moving is fighting for the youth, based on the project I have for this country for this year, basically as a Miss Rwanda 2020. So to keep moving is the way I'll plan my project and the way I'll work for the country, like the way I'll do my things. That's what will make me keep moving, and that's what will make people appreciate me for being the Miss Rwanda of 2020. Thank you.
Rose, umererwa Evelyn.
Rose ndamuhayezi.
Rose, Musasi Jolly.
Genda guhana.